But honestly, who could be more honest?
Welcome to the Honest Goddess, and in today's video I will be reviewing some Fenty products. So for Fenty Skin, I'll be reviewing the Hydra Vizor, which is their new moisturizer, and for Fenty Beauty, I'll be reviewing the Eaze Drop Skin Blurring Tint. Okay, so this is how they look. So this is the Hydra Vizor and this is the Eaze Drop. I actually already have on the Hydra Vizor, so I'll tell you a little bit about it. I'll also put a video here of pretty much my skin test. So right now on my face, all I have is the Hydra Vizor and my eyebrows done. That's it. I haven't highlighted my eyebrows. This is just the eyebrow pencil and the Hydra Vizor moisturizer. So in terms of packaging, this is how it comes. So they actually do sell it in this package, but there's also a refill package, right? But honestly, all this is just putting it into the holder, and then afterwards you can just continue buying the refill, which would be the smaller portion. The Hydra Vizor, I really wanted to try it. One, because they said it was a good pairing to the Eaze Drop, right? And also because it had SPF. Right now, I had my moisturizer and SPF separate, but this is all in one, right? And as you can see by the test, it was very, very silky. Something you didn't see, which I love to talk about, is the smell. I actually do like the smell. If you do like scented products, then you'll definitely enjoy this. If not, it's probably not for you. It's not strong. It's rather pleasant, but I like it. It was nice. And honestly, guys, as you can see, that one pump did a lot, right? I actually used 2 pumps on my face, but yes, so that's all I have on my face right now, and we're going to do a live test of the Eaze Drop. So I did do a test of the Eaze Drop on my skin, and I think I'm gonna like it, but I don't know if it's gonna match with my face, because obviously your hands are always lighter than your face somewhat, but we'll see. So I randomly picked this color. I got it in the color 12. Yeah, I got it in the color 12, and guys, my skin is weird. I have yellow undertones, but not really, because sometimes I look red, like doesn't make sense. So this was really a gamble, but I'm hoping it matches me perfectly. So I do like going out without makeup. Honestly, I will go outside like this and be fine, but obviously some days, you know, you want to step up your game and, you know, rock some no makeup. So I was actually really excited to try this, because I don't like packing on makeup, especially if you're not going anywhere serious, you know. But yeah, so some things that I really want to clear up just to make my no makeup better. I do have some red areas, right? I do have some red areas, and just some parts of my skin are just uneven, and I'd love for them to be blurred. So it's in the name, it says it's going to blur your skin, so let us see. So I'm gonna do half of my face with my hands or fingers, and I'm gonna do the other half with a brush. That's the 2 methods they recommend, and we'll see. Okay, so we're gonna start on this side. Right? Kind of nervous. Why am I nervous? And guys, I actually like that it's like this. Yeah, I actually like that it is this spout, so I can just kind of put it on. But let's see if I'm gonna just make a mess. Okay. So I don't know how much is enough. Does that even match? I'm scared. Okay. Let's just test this bad boy out. I think this is lighter than my skin. Is it? I think I put on too much in one spot, but I think the color is okay. I think. Okay. 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 I do think the color is the same. It's just that I'm less red. Do you see that? Yeah, I'm just less red and I'm blurred. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, so this is my initial review. So I can already definitely see it doing something, but also it looks very, very, very natural. So I'm just gonna continue this half of my face. So once more, do you see that? Wow. So you can see kind of a comparison right here. This side definitely does look smoother. Like, it looks like I have on a filter on one side of my face. I apply the Hydra Vizor. I literally just rubbed it on, right? So after the Hydra Vizor, I could literally just rub this on with my fingers if I really wanted to, right? Like, look at that. Are you seeing the difference? And I think it matches. I think it matches. The 12 definitely matches my skin tone. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side with the brush and we shall see. Okay, it definitely blurred what it's supposed to blur, but I think this side I have a little bit more redness. Ooh, right here. So put it there. I actually like the application with the brush better than with my fingers. Wow, guys, this looks like skin. Like, can you even tell? Like, this is actually very, very smooth. Very, very smooth. Like, that's crazy. Like, I don't have on makeup. I'm joking. And I'm just adding a little bit more, and honestly guys, it's not building up like thick. It's still very thin and skin like just look at that. That just, wow, that looks so smooth. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, I really think it blurred my face. Like now if I'm going to the grocery store, this is how I have to go because, you know, makeup, you know. This is definitely my new foundation. Like, I don't think I'm gonna use my other foundation anymore. Like, definitely it did blur your skin. Definitely it is very light. Definitely it's giving skin. I honestly don't need much more after this. Like, you can go out with just this and feel confident, feel like you have on a filter, right? It definitely blurred out my redness, blurred out the 2 little dark spots that I did have, and yeah, I'm feeling it. Like, it just looks like skin. Like, and one thing I hate with foundation, like what's light, medium, heavy coverage foundation, is that you can never see my molds underneath, right? That's how you know that this is light. You can actually still see my beauty marks, right? But at the same time, it's blurring the skin, right? That is just nice. I like it. But yes guys, I really do like it. In terms of what it says it does, definitely 10 out of 10. As it says, it's a blurring skin tint. What did it do? It blurred my skin and it tinted my skin, right? So it definitely is true to the name. What was I gonna say? It definitely did work well with the Hydra Vizor. I'm pretty sure if you use any type of moisturizer or your primer as well, it will definitely smooth it out, because obviously if you have a good foundation, in terms of not foundation the product, but if you have a good foundation to start with, then your makeup is going to look smooth, right? So I love it. I love it. My overall review though, I definitely love the two. I definitely love the two. I want to mention again the nice smell of the Hydra Vizor and how silky it was. I definitely think you can even do your no makeup with just the Hydra Vizor, right? But obviously if you want that blurred look, definitely add the Eaze drop, and voila. Voila, there you go, there you have it. Super easy. You can just go out just like this, right? And obviously if you want to add other stuff on top of your makeup, it will still be good. Like you can go ahead and have your highlighter, your blush, your contour, and your face will still just be beat, right? So definitely loved it. Yeah, loved it. Look at that skin. Like that just looks like skin, guys. But that's not really how my face looked. Y'all saw how my face looked at the beginning of the video. That's not how my face looks. So definitely loved it, but I'm about to go out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have purchased the Hydra drop, definitely leave your comments below on how you thought it was, how it worked for you, how it matched your skin. And let's talk about it, because obviously not all products fit everyone, but for me it surprisingly worked perfectly. Like, also comment if you thought it was a good match. I think, well, I put it on my neck, but I think the match was really, really, really good. But yeah guys, I will see you in my next video.